Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mr. Wisdom and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk TikTok. That platform is like a rocket ship to stardom. And trust me, it's not slowing down. Whether you're just starting out or you're trying to break through to the big leagues, we all want more followers, more views, and that sweet, sweet engagement. So hold on tight because in this video, I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. 12 of them to be exact. We're diving deep into the strategies that'll take your TikTok game from zero to hero. Alright, first things first, we gotta talk about your content, and I'm not just talking about any old video, we're talking about stuff that's gonna make people stop scrolling and say, "Whoa, what is this?" Think about it, you're scrolling through TikTok and bam, something catches your eye. It's like a reflex, you stop, you watch, and boom, you're hooked. That's the power of high-quality content. Now, when I say high quality, I'm not saying you need a Hollywood studio, but you gotta up your game. Good lighting is your best friend. Natural light is amazing. Or grab yourself a ring light. Trust me, it's a game changer. Next up, sound. Nobody wants to listen to a video with a lawnmower in the background. Use headphones with a mic, or find a quiet spot to film. And hey, if you mess up, no worries, edit that out. There are tons of free editing apps that are super easy to use. Listen up because this is crucial. You can't be everything to everyone. You've got to find your tribe, your squad, your people. What are you passionate about? What makes you, you? Maybe you're a fitness fanatic, a makeup guru, a gaming legend, or maybe you just make people laugh with your killer dance moves. Whatever it is, own it. Once you know your niche, it's time to cater to those people. Use relevant hashtags, jump on trends that fit your style, and most importantly, create content that speaks directly to their interests. The more specific you are, the more you'll connect with your audience. Alright, let's talk about consistency. This is where a lot of people drop the ball, but trust me, it's a game changer. Imagine this. You see an awesome video, you check out the creator's profile, and they've only posted like twice. Are you gonna follow them? Probably not. Now imagine that same awesome video, but this creator posts multiple times a day, every single day. They're engaged, they're active, they're consistent. Who are you more likely to follow? Exactly. Consistency tells the TikTok algorithm that you're serious, and it rewards you by showing your content to more people. Aim to post at least once a day, or even better, multiple times a day. Experiment with different posting times to see when your audience is most active. Trends are like waves, you gotta catch them at the right time to ride them to success. TikTok is all about trends, so hop on board. Challenges, dances, sounds, they're all opportunities to get your content seen by a wider audience. But here's the key. Put your own spin on it, don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Add your own personality, your own twist, your own unique style. Make it funny, make it unexpected, make it so good that people can't help but watch and share. Let's be real, TikTok is a social platform. That means you gotta be social. Don't just post and ghost, respond to comments, answer questions, run polls, and even go live to connect with your followers in real time. When people feel seen and heard, they're more likely to stick around. Make your audience feel like they're part of something special, like a community. Your TikTok profile is your first impression, so make it count. First up, your username. Keep it short, memorable, and easy to spell. Next, your profile picture. Use a high-quality photo that represents you or your brand. Don't forget your bio. This is your chance to tell people who you are and what you're all about. Use keywords, emojis, and a call to action to make it stand out. Hashtags are like the secret sauce to discoverability on TikTok. They help people find your content when they're searching for specific topics. But don't just go throwing any old hashtag on your videos. Use a mix of relevant hashtags that describe your content, trending hashtags that are popular at the moment, and niche hashtags that are specific to your target audience. And don't forget to check out what hashtags other creators in your niche are using. You know how important first impressions are, right? Well, on TikTok, you've got about 3 seconds to make a good one. That's why your video openings, your hooks, are crucial. Start with a bang. Use a funny sound effect, a surprising visual, or ask a question that piques their curiosity. Your goal is to grab their attention and make them want to see what happens next. TikTok gives you a superpower analytics. You can see exactly how your videos are performing, who's watching, and what's working. Pay attention to your views, likes, comments, shares, and most importantly, your audience retention. See which videos are performing well and try to replicate that success. If a video isn't doing so hot, don't stress, just analyze why and adjust your strategy. In a world of filters and perfectly curated feeds, authenticity really shines through. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so be yourself. Don't be afraid to show your personality, your quirks, and what makes you unique. The more genuine you are, the more people will connect with you on a deeper level. Two heads are better than one, right? Collaborating with other creators is a fantastic way to reach new audiences, cross-promote your content, and have some fun in the process. Find creators in your niche or even in related niches and brainstorm some epic collaboration ideas. You can create duets, challenge videos, or even just give each other shout-outs. Don't keep your TikTok greatness confined to just one platform. Share your TikToks on your other social media channels like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even YouTube. Embed your TikToks on your website or blog. The more you promote your TikTok, the more people will discover your awesome content. There you have it, guys. 12 killer strategies to take your TikTok game to a whole new level. Remember, consistency is key, engagement is king, and authenticity always wins. Now go out there, create some epic content, and watch your TikTok blow up. And hey, while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future TikTok tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.